Hi, I'm Robin Bensley. Welcome to Chow Time. I was going through my mother-in-law's old metal recipe box. Remember those? And I came across a cookie recipe, and she had written in the corner, "Great," with 2 exclamation points. And I've never had this type of cookie, so I thought I'd try making them tonight, and we'll find out if they're great or not. We'll start over here with the wet ingredients, of which there are 4. I have a cup of butter in my food processor, which is 2 sticks. And I'm going to put in 1 cup of sugar and, according to the recipe, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. And also a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Cream the butter and the sugar together. Okay, now I'm going to put the dry ingredients together. 1½ cups of flour, and then a teaspoon of cream of tartar, which you don't use very often, but I just happen to have some. A teaspoon of baking soda, mix those around. And 2½ cups of puffed rice cereal. Now I'm going to put the butter sugar mixture in. And combine this. You just have to just really mush it around. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to actually use my hands. I think it would be easier. Oh, it is. All right, that's well combined. As long as my hands are already in it, I'm going to just form little balls, about 1 inch. Put them on the cookie sheet, which I buttered, by the way. Okay, last one. Boom. Now I'm going to pop these in a 350-degree oven for about 10 minutes. Okay, Mom Bensley, I'm ready to try these puffed rice cookies. Wow, they're very buttery. They have a nice little crunch. There's a little softness to it. They're very, very good. No, wait, I take that back. I think they're great with 2 exclamation points.